Two creative design giants, Canva and Figma. Both are everywhere, but which one really delivers? On the left, Canva, design made fast, fun, and accessible to everyone. And on the right, Figma, the go-to for professional interface design and teamwork. Let's skip the buzzwords and dig into what actually matters. Each category racks up points, so at the end, you'll see who truly comes out on top. The result in 2025 might surprise you. Okay, before we jump in, here's how we're going to compare these two. Ease of use, design and features, collaboration, AI and innovation, pricing, and best use case. Picture like a mini mind map, right? Keep these in mind as we go. So let's kick off with ease of use. Canva is honestly a lifesaver for beginners, or anyone who's not trying to become a full-on designer overnight. Drag and drop, super smooth. Plus, they throw in tons of templates, and their mobile app is actually not garbage. The only thing is, if you want those pro-level tricks, yeah, you might hit a wall. Now, Figma. This one's a beast in the hands of someone who knows their way around design tools. Tons of customization, but oh man, there is a learning curve. If you've never dealt with interface design stuff before, Figma can feel like you're taking night classes. So out of these two, Canva totally nails it for easy-peasy use. Moving on to design and features. Canva's got like over 5 million templates. Seriously, it's wild. Plus, Magic Studio AI features, built-in photo editing, stock assets everywhere. Still, the controls for layout and animation, they're kind of basic, if I'm being harsh. Figma, though, here's where it flexes. You get advanced vector tools, prototyping, components, even direct handoff to developers, which, if you're on a team, that is icing on the cake. Their plugin market, massive, over 1,600. Not as many templates, but if you're serious about design, you probably don't care. So yeah, on features and depth, Figma takes the win. Next, we gotta talk collaboration. Canva's sharing features make it easy to get feedback. I mean, sending a link around? Simple. But, and this is important, real team stuff is locked behind the paid Teams plan. If you want truly seamless team stuff, it's not as breezy. Figma, on the other hand, is basically built for teamwork. Free real-time editing, audio comments. You can literally watch your teammates' cursors flying around the screen. Design squads love this. So when it comes to collaborating, Figma sweeps that category hands down. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know that Canva users are out here making more than 100 designs per second? Not per minute, per second. In 2025, that's so many memes and Insta posts, like everywhere. All right, let's jump into AI and innovation. Canva serves up Magic Studio, background removal, the usual, but fun and genuinely handy. But you know, it's not really about automating your whole workflow, more about adding quick magic to stuff. Figma flips it. Their AI leans into workflow, prototyping, speeding up UI design tasks. It's smart, but not always focused on making your creative life easier. Honestly, they're kind of neck and neck here, just in different ways. So, gonna call it a tie. Now, the big question, pricing. Canva starts off with a killer free tier, then goes pro for $13 a month. Super affordable. But yeah, if you want team features, expect to pay. Figma gives you a free version too, but it's pretty limited. And when you go pro, it's $15 a month plus extras for full-on team stuff. It adds up fast. So if you're budget conscious or just building your online side hustle, Canva is the wallet-friendly champ. Last category, best use case. Canva is basically the tool for cranking out social posts, marketing flyers, fast presentations. If you're not living and breathing UX prototyping, it's perfect. Meanwhile, Figma is what big design teams reach for. UI, UX, advanced web app stuff, exporting designs for developers. But for just quick graphics and no drama, Figma's kind of overkill, honestly. So I'd say this one's a tie. Each has its zone, and trust me, you'll know where you belong. So if we map it all out, Canva wins ease of use and pricing. Figma absolutely owns design features and team collaboration. Both stack up on AI, and honestly, their best uses are totally different. One's casual, one's pro. All right, final thought. If you want fast, awesome graphics for social or your small business, Canva's just brilliant. If you're hardcore into app or web design and you've got a team, Figma's your beast. Totally depends what you actually need, but You really can't go wrong.
Want deeper dives into creative software or some sneaky design tricks? Stick around. And oh, hit subscribe for new guides.